welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Now for today's video, I think you've read the title of this video and that's why you're here, because I'm going to be talking about some amazing lipstick dupes. Now I feel very passionately about dupes and I'm so sad that not a lot of people are doing dupes anymore and not a lot of people are interested in watching anymore as well. So let me know if you still like watching dupes video, and if yes, then which category, because as I said, I feel passionately about all dupes videos, but especially lipstick dupes have a special place in my heart, and I always feel like you can get something for a more affordable price tag, and that is such a gratifying feeling. But a quick fair warning, I am going to be using words like beautiful, gorgeous, pretty a lot in this video to describe these shades, because what else am I supposed to use? Effervescent, tranquilizing? No please, thank you. I'm going to keep it simple. So rather than complaining, have a water shot every single time I say one of these words, and both of us can be hydrated by the end of this video. Now I'm not going to make this intro any longer because I specialize in doing that, but I have beautiful lip liners, glosses, lipsticks and everything in here for you. That's going to be a treat for you and your wallet. So without any further ado, let's get started. I'll start off with lip liners, and I do have a nice variety of shades to share with you guys. The first one comes from Huda Beauty. This is their lip contour in the shade Trendsetter. Now I'm not really sure if you can get this particular shade in the market right now or not, since Huda Beauty did reformulate her lip contours and they are now lip contour 2.0, but this was a beautiful color. Let me swatch it for you guys right here. This is a nice earthy brownie shade, a nude for a lot of people but brown for me personally, and I love the warmth in it. It's so creamy and goes on beautifully on the lips. However, it goes a little heavy on the pockets as well, so I do have a cheaper alternative for you guys, and this comes from PAC. This is their Color Lock Long Lasting Lip Liner in the shade So Spicy, and I'm gonna swatch it right above it so you can see how similar these shades are. And again, this goes on really creamily on the lips, stays for a really nice amount of time and define your lips really well as well. They look so similar on the lips, so if you're looking for something that's half the price or even lesser than half, then definitely go for the PAC one. Now the only lip liners I've ever finished in my life comes from MAC. They have a beautiful formulation as well as the shade range is to die for. I have one shade that's gonna be like the center of attention whenever you wear it. I am talking about the shade Cherry. It's a beautiful pinky red. It looks so gorgeous and is super easy to wear because it's not a blood red. It has a little bit of pink in there that really mutes it down and makes it much more wearable. But if you're looking for a similar shade for about half the money, then you have this K Beauty lip liner, and this is in the shade Dance Off, and it gives you that same cherry red color without it being super expensive on the pocket as well. Look at how similar these look on the lips. I mean, they are exactly the same shade. The last lip liner dupe I have for you guys is a little bit more dramatic but nonetheless has my heart. I am talking about this Bobbi Brown lip liner, and this is in the shade Sangria, and as the name suggests, it's a beautiful wine color, but again it does have a little bit of brown in there to make it slightly more wearable. It's not straight up wine shade, but again this is going to be slightly expensive on the pocket, and a much more affordable, like much more affordable option comes from Mars. This is their Edge of Desire lip liner, and this is in the shade Bloodbath, and the name suggests more bloody red color, but this is a more winey brown color, very similar to Sangria, and once on the lips you can't tell if it's Sangria or a Bloodbath. Let's move on to some bullet lipsticks now, and the price difference of this first one is gonna blow your mind off. So I have my Tom Ford lipstick with me right here. Now first of all, Tom Ford isn't the most easily available brand in India, and even if it is, it's super expensive. So I have the shade Pussycat with me right here. Now this is a more creamy finish, and it does settle down to be more creamy. It doesn't turn fully matte, and the dupe that I have for you, even though if it's like 1/10 the price, is it a little bit more matte, so that's the only difference that I can point out. This is the Plum lipstick in this shade Gimme Mauve. I'm just going to swatch it right next to it, and you can see this is slightly more matte than the Tom Ford one, but you can just apply a little bit of lip balm, like tap it on top of this to make them look super similar. Even with that formulation difference, I don't think it makes a huge difference once both of these are on the lips. A quick disclaimer, the rest of the bullet lipstick dupes I have for you guys are going to come all from K Beauty. Now this wasn't intentional, it's just that K Beauty has a beautiful shade range and formulation going for them, so I just so happened to find these shades in the K Beauty range. With that being said, let's move on to the next lipstick, which comes from Charlotte Tilbury. You guys know I love Charlotte Tilbury's lipsticks. I can't really say the same for all of the products, but their lipsticks are bombdiggity.com, and the shade that I have with me right here is called Walk of No Shame, which is a beautiful browny orangey shade that I so freaking love. It's a gorgeous shade and goes beautifully on the lips. And the dupe that I have for you guys comes from K Beauty. This is in the shade Wrap Up, and it's so similar to Walk of No Shame once you put them side by side, and Wrap Up might look slightly more brown, but on the lips there's absolutely no difference. Next up, I have two Huda Beauty lipsticks, and before I move on to the dupes, I just have to say that for the longest time, I was struggling to find good dupes for Huda Beauty lipsticks because not only is their formulation just top notch, their shades and the undertones are so unique and different, but all thanks to K Beauty, I now have some beautiful dupes to share with you guys. So the first shade I want to talk about is Third Date. Now this is a beautiful mauvey, purpley, winey color. Like it's so different yet so stunning and gorgeous. I mean, I love this shade so much, and as I told you guys, I was struggling to find a dupe, but I finally have one with me right here. This is in the shade Box Office, and you can see once you swatch them side by side how similar these are. And K Beauty again has top-notch formulation, and they go beautifully on the lips, and you cannot tell me that they do not look like the exact same shade. The second shade from Huda Beauty and the last bullet lipstick dupe for this video is called Ladies Night. Now this is a super dramatic color, and my lipstick has sort of broken, so I'm going to be very gentle with this swatch so as to not do more damage to this one. But it's a beautiful wine shade, very dramatic, very, attention grabbing lipstick. However, if you just want a more affordable alternative, you have K Beauty right here, and this is in the shade Rolling. Let me swatch them side by side so you can see how similar these are. And once you put either of these on your lips, all eyes are going to be on you. I have one solo liquid lipstick dupe for you all, but the lack of dupes in the liquid lipstick category will definitely be made up in how gorgeous this shade is. Now this comes from MAC. This is their Locked Ink liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Emphatic, and it's a beautiful burnt orange color. And if you've been following me for a while, you know I absolutely love burnt orange shades. They're so wearable, so beautiful, and they just overall they're my vibe. I feel like they go so well on Indian skin tones, but they don't need to be so expensive all the damn time because I have a beautiful dupe for you all, and this comes from Miss Claire. This is from their matte par lip color range, and this is the shade 06. I will have an exact link for you guys in the bottom bar because I'm not too sure about their numbering system. However, this is a beautiful burnt orange shade as well. Let me swatch them side by side. You might feel this is slightly more brownie right now, but they dry down to be the exact same shade on the lips. And I will finish this video off. I have two lip gloss dupes to share with you all, and both of the dupes come from e.l.f. lip lacquer range. Again, nothing intentional. It's just that e.l.f. has these beautiful lip lacquers and they're under a budget, so it just happened in this way. So let's move on to the first dupe now, and I want to share the more higher end product with you first. It comes from Simply Nam. This is their tinted lip oil, and this is in the shade Golden Hour. Basically, they call it a tinted lip oil. It's more like a lip gloss. This is what it looks like, and because it's tinted and not super pigmented in a way that it would cover up all of your pigmentation, your natural lip color will play a role in how it looks on your lips. However, this is a beautiful lip gloss oil, whatever you want to call it. It's best for no makeup days because it just gives you a little bit of color. It doesn't make you look dead. That's why I love it so much. However, if you want to spend a little less, maybe like half the price of what this comes at, then you can definitely go for this particular lip lacquer by e.l.f. This is in the shade Moody Carpicilux. I don't even know what that word is. I think it's just Moody. I again will have links for you, so you don't really need to go off my pronunciations, but this is super similar to the tinted lip oil, and again it's not super pigmented, so your own natural lip color will play a role in it. You can obviously top your lipsticks off with these as well if you just want a nice sheer amount of color on top of it, or you can wear it on no makeup days and it just makes you look so beautiful. I want to end this video on a shimmery note, so for my last dupe, let me first talk about the higher end counterpart of it, which comes from Fenty Beauty. This is their lip gloss in the shade Cake Shake. Now this was a limited edition, so I don't think you can get it anyway, but basically this is a sheer yet glittery lip gloss. Now honestly, I would think more of this as a topper rather than being the only thing that I wear on my lips, since this does not have a lot of shade to it. But if you're looking for something like this and you also want to stay under a budget, then e.l.f. is here to your rescue. This is in the shade Fantasy, which again does not have a lot of tint in there but does have a lot of shimmer in there. Let me swatch them side by side. Now the Fenty one is slightly more thicker, so you might have to layer the e.l.f. one a little bit more, but for the price that you're paying, the similarity that you see here is just uncanny. And honestly, once it's on the lips, you really can't tell if it's Fenty or e.l.f. And those were all of the dupes I wanted to share with you guys. Again, do let me know if dupes are something that still interests you or not, and if yes, then which category should I be duping next up. But that's going to be it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this and found this helpful. If you did, then don't forget to comment and subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. I hope to see you guys pretty soon in my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all so much. Mwah. Bye.